Bukod sa pagbibigay ng tulong sa mga apektado ng COVID-19, ang advocacy group na Vital Pilipinas ay nag-iiwan din ng inspirasyon sa mga beneficiaries nito. Tampok natin ang isa sa mga founders nito na si Victor Pring, ang ating The Good One.
Ika nga ng isang kasabihan that we may all be in the same ocean, but we are sailing different boats. Napakagandang patotoo po dyan ang magkakaibang epekto ng COVID-19 sa bawat isa. At sa mga mapaminsalang alon dala ng maladilubyong pandemya, may ilang maswerte na nakaahon, pero mas marami po tayong mga kababayan ngayon na malapit ng malunod. Mabuti na lang at may mga good one na handang mag-abot ng tulong sa kanila, katulad ni Victor Pring, ang founder and CEO ng Vital Pilipinas. Welcome to Rise and Shine.
Hello,
Baka maaari mo kaming kwentuhan tungkol sa effort niyo ni Gab Valenciano ng Vital Pilipinas.
Vital Pilipinas as a whole is a story or is a group na we aim to help communities na pinakaunang tinamaan ng pandemic. So, the first people that we helped or we fed are the people that are in the poorest of the poor communities. Sila yung mga tao na everyday yung sahod na inaasahan. If they don't work for a day, wala silang kakainin for the night. Ang efforts namin kasi dual purpose eh. It's because we even go to Baguio to buy our fresh products para matulungan namin yung mga farmers doon. We go there, we purchase a whole truckload of vegetables. So every truckload of vegetables, we can feed around 7,000 families. We have helped around 115,000 families.
Nag-open kayo nila, Gab, ng takoyaki business. Bakit niyo to na-conceptualize?
Feeding 500,000 people during the pandemic. I realized na hindi siya enough and it's not sustainable. We won't be there for them every day to feed them, but once we give them livelihoods, makakakain yung buong families nila. Makatutulungan namin sila. We cannot employ everyone, but we will try to. Our mission and vision is to provide works and provide livelihood and revitalize the communities. We pray that by December, we hit the 100 stores so we can employ around 1,000 people.
Wow. You're going against the flow. While
Yes.
people are holding on to what they have, you give it away.
Yes.
While big companies shut down, you're opening up a lot of outlets and opportunities for them. Where do you get the strength?
I know medyo martyr kasi number one, putting your health at risk. Number two, putting your money at risk at bay. But I think now is the time to be selfless. Now is the time to stand up. If we don't stand up now, then who will? Diba?
Mabigat man ang pinagdadaanan ngayon, kapit lang. Dahil tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating pagbabayanihan. Kaya tiyak na sama-sama rin natin itong malalapasan. Together, we heal as one. Ito po ang tunay na kwento ng kabutihan ng ating mga kababayan. Ito po ang The Good One.